negosyo, pigilin.
Sige. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Go fire. Hindi na.
So, panag-diet ma'am and sir, would you like to, introduce yourself?
Ako si Analisa Mariposki Timbangan.
Okay, and can you tell us something about your business?
Business is piggery.
Okay. So, next question is technology an important part of your daily life? Why? And how do you use them often? So, gamit ba ang technology sa imong business?
Gamit ang technology like electricity, water pump, washing sa mga baboy.
Are there cybersecurity challenges you encounter while using technology? Cybersecurity.
Kanang sa cyber, murag wala naman siguro na sa ma-apply sa business na ko like piggery.
Please describe the kind of job and life you have without technology. Unsay kinabuhi nga walay
Technology. Ang kinabuhi sa walay technology is a normal life lang, og sa may technology dako ang kalainan tungod kay ang technology gamit ka o mga electrical, ang walay technology, so sa Bisaya pa mano-mano lang ang pagbuhat sa usa ka tawo.
So, last, so your generalization, so wala na natin may regipan ka-generalize. So, ang pasabot ni Ante kay technology can be helpful, but pwede ta mo live sa tong life without katong technology. So, narata mong pilihan sa duwa. So, balag unsay ko na to is magamit katong siya. Balag unsa pa naka-business piggery ba na or poultry. So, thank you ma'am.
Thank you.
Good.